to Annie Eats. No. Hi, welcome to Anne with a Plan. Nope. Okay. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you here all kinds of healthy recipes that you can do at home, but you're going to want to watch. We want to watch here because I'm going to do it in a fun way that's real and personal. I'm not going to be like a fake Giada. I'm going to be real. Things are not good right now. That doesn't mean you can't make a healthy meal. So what we're doing today is a poached egg on a salad. Now that might sound simple, but sometimes I love nothing more than watching a yolk run through a pile of vegetables. I mean that. That is so sad. And then after I have my egg, I will add some sriracha and honey. Speaking of the elusive poached egg, now this is the tricky part. One misstep here and you could ruin everything. So first we set our pot of water to boil. I'm filming.
What are you filming?
My YouTube channel.
You okay?
I'm gonna be a star.
If you see it through, I mean, it would shock me.
Watch, I'm gonna have like 100 subscribers by the time you get back.
Annie, I'm not coming back, okay? Unless I keep the apartment and you move somewhere else.
I have to poach these eggs.
I'm so glad you're dealing with this like an adult. Get it through your head, Annie, please.
Okay, editor, well, I have to find an editor. Hi, editor, edit out this part. Obviously, edit out my husband leaving me. Okay, unless, okay, if you can go viral with the husband leaves, okay, you can go viral with like husband leaves marriage during YouTuber's tutorial. Keep that in. If not, cut it. Okay. So first we set our pot of water to boil, and then I'm gonna be using a super secret tip. And so editor put like super secret tip text right here. But it involves this little strainer. What? That's why you come to my channel, for this super secret tips. So, hi Mom. I don't want any more candles. I don't. Clean linen, like 3 wicks, thank you. Peter he officially is gone now. Am I supposed to chase after him? I don't want to have a baby with someone who doesn't want to be with me, Mom. I'm gonna be fine. I'm making YouTube videos. Do you know Jenna Marbles? Google Jenna Marbles, she's like a millionaire. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, it's exciting. I made so many compromises for him, Mom. I wanna be a vegetarian. But when everyone's sharing tapas, I'm not gonna be annoying about it. But, listen, I gotta go. I gotta make these eggs. No, I gotta go. Okay, so, now we're going to use our strainer, and that way you get rid of all the excess egg juice to make a really firm poached egg. Hey Siri, text Peter husband.
What do you want to say?
Are you sure you want to do this? Question mark? No. Tell her I say hi! Exclamation point. No, period. No. Hope she's better. No! Oh! Never mind.
Your message to Peter husband says, "Are you sure you want to do this? No, tell her I say hi. I hope she's better now." Ready to send it?
Yeah, I don't think so. No. Go to anthropology.com. Cart. Where's the gingham tunic dress? Gingham tunic dress in my cart. Ugh. Medium. It looks like our water is about ready. So now we have our egg with the excess juice out, and we're going to add our egg to the pot, reduce the flame to low, and then after we put that in there, we cover it and wait 4 minutes. Oh my God! Jamie, come in the kitchen and come see what I'm doing.
Oh, I was just dropping off the keys for this weekend.
I'm so excited for this weekend. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What is this?
I'm YouTubing. I have an idea, Jamie. Okay, do you want some champagne? I have this it's a 2-year-old bottle of champagne. Does champagne go bad or just like the intentions behind buying it?
Oh, no, I don't have that right now. We just bring it this weekend.
Okay, but I think maybe how about just some of this, I have a wine open. Just like a little bit of wine first.
Why?
Because just a little bit of wine. I have this idea. I think we should kiss.
What?
Just like, because I want this video to be really big. It's my first one. Something needs to happen. It doesn't have to be long, but like, I might grab your boobs or something.
How do you think Peter would feel about?
He left me. He's, yep. Yeah, it's over. So if you're gonna ask me, what can I do for you? It's get in frame here and let's make out a little bit.
Oh, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, yeah, okay. Fair. It was so weird.
I'm sorry. You know, God, maybe we should do the weekend another time because, you know, it's Sam's house and without Peter.
Yeah. Bummer. I made 2 banana breads. Should have filmed it. Okay.
Well, I'll call you.
Okay. Thank you. I'm at peak fertility, right? And whoa! Looks like our egg is ready. Nailed it. And voila! So I just like to top it with a little bit of green onion and sriracha, as I mentioned. So, editor. Like, Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and tune in next week to find out if this is sriracha or not.